Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my chocolate mint ice cream. I really hope you can stick around and see exactly how it's done. To get started on our chocolate mint ice cream, we are just going to need a few ingredients, and those ingredients are, number one, we're going to use a food processor. Now you can use a high-speed blender if you choose, but I prefer a food processor. I'm using my Ninja Auto IQ food processor and blender. We're also going to need 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk. I am using my pecan milk, but any plant-based milk will work. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of an unsweetened cocoa powder, and then we've got 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint extract. You can find them at a lot of your different stores. I know most health food stores will have it, and you can also find it online. And then we have 3 frozen bananas. Now, if you don't know how to freeze your bananas or to know if they're perfectly ripened to be frozen, I will have the links below so you can see exactly how I've done it. But I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get started on this delicious recipe. To get started on today's recipe video, we are going to take our bananas. Now I just grab them and set them into 3s. And we are going to do that with all of them. Awesome. Now we've got our cocoa powder. We have our 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And then 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk. Now we are going to be blending this on a medium speed for roughly around 45 seconds to 60 seconds. So I'm going to get started on blending that. Okay, we've had that blending for right around a minute. The consistency looks perfect. I'm going to get a dish of this bowled up, get the kitchen cleaned up, and I'll see you guys in just a second. I am back. I got the kitchen tidied up, and I am here with my chocolate mint ice cream. I've got to say, this is probably one of my new favorite ice creams to make, especially as the holidays are approaching. Anything mint, peppermint goes over very well. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Absolutely fantastic. You've got a nice rich deepness, a little bit of bitterness from that chocolate, the sweetness that the bananas bring, the creaminess that they bring, and then you've got that wonderful hint of mint that comes on a few seconds after you take that first bite. Guys, this is a really great recipe. I really hope you give it a try, and if you do give it a try, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below, and make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to the pages. It really helps the cause. And if you enjoyed this recipe video, go ahead and share it with your family and friends so they can know how to make a great dairy-free, low-fat, vegan ice cream at home anytime they'd like. As always, this recipe, as well as my past and future recipes, can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.